Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we are starting this dragon cross stitch, and we are going to be starting right over in here, and the color that I'm using is 666 red. So let's get started. I can't believe this has 70 colors. It's just like phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the color I was going to start with was a pale blue, and I didn't think you'd be able to see where I was stitching, so we're just going to use this bright red. If I can just get everybody to cooperate here today. Let me get my light going, get everybody where they need to be. I have my dragon needle minder. Can't figure out how it goes, but maybe like that, or like that. Your guess is as good as mine. Don't know who I got it from, but yeah, we have a dragon. So, what is everybody up to today? It's Wednesday. Yay! That means it's my Friday. I'm so excited. Yeah, let's just get this over with this week. It's just kind of been a long week. No biggie. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you. Some days. Yesterday was a little bit busy. And then it died off. And then 3 people showed up at 9 o'clock. Yeah. Here we go. Let the games begin. I told you this would happen. So, yeah. We're having fun now. And it wasn't too terribly busy. So, I have no idea what today will be like. I think we've gotten past all the spring breaks, so it is May 1st. Is that May Day? May 1st? I don't know. If you know, comment below. Let me pull this over just a bit so we get you better in frame. Yeah. So I worked on the mega scape last night a little bit. I did some before I went to work. Just trying to get another color in. I didn't start that peony one that I got, so I just stuck with the big one, and because I wanted to put some threads in it. So I might have one corner done. You know, don't get too excited by next Tuesday. But it's real easy to stitch on. The part that I'm stitching on right now, there's not a lot of confetti. So that's a really good thing. Was not in the mood for confetti. So I was going to start this at the bottom, but yeah, that wasn't going to work. It was like this color, no this color. Yeah. And the colors I wanted to start with, they were like in the middle of everything, so we're just going to go with this. Oh. Did you enjoy those 3 videos yesterday? Holy cow. Yeah. It was a little busy yesterday. I usually don't do 3 videos in one day. So, try not to. Oh, I'm using the needles that came with the kit too, by the way. So far, until they, you know, prove to be too thick or whatever, I'll change it out. But at this point, we're good. So yeah, that's about all I worked on yesterday. I got up kind of late yesterday morning, so I didn't even take a nap before I went to work. Yeah. So, it happens. I haven't heard from my daughter if we're going to go do anything or see anything yet, so we'll see. I watched some YouTube and some floss tube stuff. I watched Jill Green. She's got that new one from AliExpress. It's so pretty in that one single color. And I didn't catch what the number was, you know, if it was 666 red. That my koi is done in 666 red. But I must have, it blew right past me some days. I was trying to get things done and everything, so I didn't have too much time to concentrate. So sometimes I have to go back and rewatch people's videos. There we go. Come out of there, silly. Because I miss part of the conversation. But that's okay. I can watch stuff 2-3 times. It doesn't bother me at all. But yeah, I was quite pleased with that great big one. And I think it's going to have lots of details in it. So it'll be good. It'll be fine. And it's one of the best laid out ones that I've gotten in a while. Because sometimes it's like, holy cow, how much confetti can you throw in there, you know? It's just insane sometimes. But it's fine. And that orange right there, that's 3865. I think that's the white they're using. So, and it's real close to the edges, so I'm not sure about all that and how that's all going to turn out, but don't think too far ahead, just stitch. Yep, that's my motto. Don't worry about it. Just, as somebody once told me, it all needs to be stitched, so just calm down and focus on where you're at and just stitch and enjoy the stitching part, because that's why we're here, right? I'm gonna have to maybe start this thread again. I can't see, I'm already planning ahead. Well, what's that? Well, what's that? Yeah, I do this all the time. That's how my brain and cross stitch works. If I'm stitching with red, well, I see something else. Well, that might be some other one I really want to stitch with. So, yep, it goes on and on. My brain is just sometimes pretty scattered. So then I'd have to pick up those ones that have the great big areas and just stitch one color. Commit to it and stitch just one color. Because otherwise I get distracted by lots of sparkly squirrels. It don't take much. Just set that puppy right over there. And of course I ran into something with my finger, so yeah, here we are. 14 count. Yay! Oh, Lord. And I'm just a little old to change my ways, so that's how that happens. And you'd think that cross stitch would teach you to focus. Not so much. Well, at least from my viewpoint. But I think this is going to be beautiful with all these colors in it. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think you can take one strand with this and just, you know, do all of that color until the strand is empty and gone. And then pick another color. I think that's the way this was going to work out. Because on the bigger ones, I take out, you know, sometimes 2, 3 threads if I know I got to cover a lot of ground. But not with this. So one strand at a time will be just ducky. Oh, ooey. And I forgot to crunch this up, so that's why it's getting out of control over here. But I'm kind of glad this is a 14 count. It doesn't bother me at all. I finally put my daughter's dragon away. I couldn't look at it anymore. It just gave me a headache just trying to think about stitching on it. Yeah, that dragon's never going to get done. Ever. Yeah, I'm so mad at Joy Sunday for that one. Every third one is a different color. Third stitch is a different color. And it goes on like that for 70 to 85 centimeters. Yep, nope. It's just too much for my little pea brain. Can understand why she never started the damn thing. If I'd seen that and I hadn't cross-stitched in a while, I would have thrown it in the trash or burned it on site. Yeah. I think that dragon needs to be reworked. It's just too much for anybody. We'll put it away for another 6 months to a year, and then we'll take it out and remember why we put it away for 6 months to a year. So what's everybody else working on? Anybody working on anything new? Any cool thing? Cool. Exciting. Or did you jump off a cliff and get the big one like me? Anybody else ordered that thing? Besides me and Stitcherella? I'm telling you, we're going to be in the nut house, all of us. With our big, big cross stitches, at least we'll be there with it. Other people that can cross stitch, and maybe we might finish it. Don't count on it, though. I don't think the nurses who could be able to see all those symbols will want to get right in there and get carried away. Oh, come on. Seriously? The end thread just keeps catching. And it's operator error here, so I'm not blaming anybody. You know, my thing is, reason probably why I get so many cross stitches is the fear of not having a thing to do when I'm in the crazy place, you know, like the nursing home or the nut house. Yeah. And they probably won't give me needles and scissors anyway, so. But I'm stocking up, you know, for the day I get to go to a nursing home. Oh, come on, please. How much thread have I got here? But I don't think by that time that they'll let me have my 49 crates worth of cross-stitch stuff. It'd probably consume the whole room by then. Oh well, we're stitching now. Well, that goes all the way up there, didn't it? So I'll probably stitch on my Megascape over the weekend. I don't know how long. or how much I'll get done. I do kind of want to start that, oops, watch what you're doing, Laura. Peony that I got. I think that is really pretty. I love all the reds and pinks in that one too. All right. Oh, I thought I went in the wrong place. But I'm really surprised that on that big one that it's not as confetti as I expected it to be. So that's a good thing. That other one that I told you it kind of reminds me of, it's got all kinds of confetti in that thing. It's got big areas, it's got confetti, but this, it seems to be pretty straightforward, so I'm looking forward to getting some stitching on it done. And then about time I get onto it, the stuff from the other fan cells order will come in, and the AliExpress order will come in. But I'm not really expecting them until about the 10th to the 15th. So we'll see. You might get here earlier. Who knows? More stuff to stitch. More stuff to start. But none of them are as big as that one. So we'll see. Oh, come on. All right, guys. There we go. Come on, thread. Cooperate here. But I think this will be kind of easy to stitch on. Then we'll have to put the back stitching in. And I'm glad it's partial. They didn't send 400 skeins of white to do the background. Thank goodness. Yeah, not happening. Alright, guys. Well, we got that much done. It just kind of continues on there. Well, thank you for joining me today. Where is it? If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.